Good evening. I am Fabrício Assunção from the Spiritist Society of Bournemouth. Welcome all of you that is here with us tonight for one of our talks in conjunction with the Spiritist Society of Bournemouth and Poole Christian Spiritualist Church. A warm welcome especially to our speaker tonight from Brazil, Gelson Luiz Roberto, and Ana Sinclair, who will be providing an English translation to us. It is lovely to have you both. The subject of tonight's talk is Joanna de Angelis. For those of you who are not unfamiliar with Joanna, she is a spirit who has for many years been the spirit guide to our most famous living spiritist medium, Divaldo Franco. The topics of this year's talks are going to be around the psychological series of Joanna de Angelis. The Psychological series is a collection of 17 books in 16 volumes. Divaldo Franco, the medium who works with the spirit Joanna de Angelis, has explained that she studied psychoanalysis, psychology in general, and psychiatry in the spiritual world for over 50 years, and wished to build a bridge between contemporary psychology and spiritism, using an approach compatible with the needs of the philosophical thinking of present times. The Psychological series is a true means of proposals for behavior and relationships, providing a state of well-being and emotional health, preparing the individual to face the conflicts of the soul, which human beings might encounter throughout their evolutionary journey. Next, let me say a few words about our speaker from Brazil. Gelson has a master's degree in clinical psychology and is an expert in Carl Jung and psychoanalysis. Also, he is a former president of the Jungian Association of Brazil. Gelson is an author on psychology and spiritism, including 2 books with the participation of the spirit of Joanna de Angelis through the mediumship of Divaldo Franco, Reflecting the Soul and Mirrors of the Soul, a therapeutical journey. Gelson is a coordinator of the Center for Spiritism and Psychology of the Brazilian Medical Spiritist Association, and he coordinates courses on the Psychological series of books by Joanna de Angelis. Before Gelson's talk, let us go over to Lawrence Saville at the Poole Christian Spiritualist Church for our opening prayer. Over to you, Lawrence.
Thank you, Fabrício, and good evening to everybody. So we could just still our minds just for this short time, laying aside all those things that beset us, to join as one, all under the same sky. In these evenings of enlightenment, enrichment, and study, these evenings where we come together again as one, learning that we live but one life, shown in many ways, in many facets, but that life thread that runs through is continual and unextinguishable. So as we could join in with this evening's talks, help us to open our minds and our hearts and listen to these philosophies shared, because Spirit give us what we need in and through the name of love. Amen.
Amen. Thank you, Lawrence. Now it's my pleasure to hand it over to Gelson and Anne for the talk on the topic, the lives and missions of Joanna de Angelis. Over to you, Gelson and Anne.
Thank you.
Thank you. Eu agradeço o convite para estar aqui com vocês. Uma boa noite a todos.
I'd like to say good evening to everybody, and I would like to thank you for the invitation to be here with you tonight.
E como o Fabrício falou, nós estaremos conversando sobre a missão e a proposta de Joanna de Angelis.
And as Fabrício mentioned, we're going to talk about the mission and the lives of Joanna de Angelis.
Nós vamos falar um pouquinho sobre as vidas que ela já teve, algumas vidas dela.
We're going to mention a couple of lives that she's had before, previous lives,
Para entender o seu compromisso espiritual enquanto compromisso com a evolução do planeta.
to understand her commitment, her spiritual commitment to the evolution of the planet.
Sabemos que quando o espírito vai evoluindo,
We know that as the spirit progresses,
conquistando recursos internos, ampliando sua consciência e ganhando em amor,
developing the inner resources, gaining greater consciousness, and developing greater love,
ele vai assumindo um papel cada vez maior no drama da criação.
they go taking on an ever larger role in the development of creation.
Joana, então, é um desses espíritos que tem colaborado nesse caminho histórico da humanidade.
So Joanna is one of those spirits that has cooperated with this journey of development of human beings.
É mentora de um dos médicos mais conhecidos do Brasil.
She is a mentor of one of the most well-known mediums in Brazil.
E tem um projeto importante, tanto espiritual como material, junto a esse médium em Salvador, Brasil.
And she has a project that is important both on a material level and a spiritual level with this medium in the city of Salvador in Brazil.
Eu vou dar alguma ideia de algumas vidas que ela teve.
I'm going to give you some idea of some of the lives that she has had.
Que foram reveladas em diversos momentos e que foi confirmada.
That have been revealed at certain points.
E que foi confirmado por vários estudiosos da mediunidade.
And who have also been confirmed by several people studying mediumship.
Começamos com uma vida que ela teve na época do Cristo.
Let's start with a life that she had at the time of Jesus Christ.
Onde ela se chamava Joana de Cusa.
And in that life, her name was Joanna of Cusa.
Ela era esposa de Cusa, um alto funcionário de Herodes.
She was married to Cusa, who was a high-standing employee of Herodes.
E ela vivia em Cafarnaum.
And she lived in Capernaum.
Já apresentava uma alma sensível e amorosa.
She already presented with a very sensitive and loving soul.
E encontrava dificuldade pela incompreensão do seu esposo.
And she used to struggle with the difficulties of understanding the behavior of her husband.
Por terem naturezas diferentes.
Because they had different natures.
Então, ela vai buscar o conforto em Jesus.
So she goes looking for Jesus to find comfort.
Através de uma escrava, ela ficou sabendo desse grande homem.
Through a slave, she heard about this great man.
E teve interesse de conhecê-lo.
And she thought that she would like to meet him.
Então, ela consegue, em algum momento, uma entrevista com Jesus.
So she manages to arrange at a point to meet with Jesus.
E nesse primeiro momento, que tocou sensivelmente sua alma,
and at this meeting, which touched her soul very deeply,
ela pôde trazer o seu drama no lar.
She was able to tell Jesus about the goings-ons in her home.
E então ele traz a ela que ele vinha em nome de Deus para abrir o templo da fé viva no coração dos homens.
So he told her that he was coming in the name of God to open the temple of living faith in the hearts of men and women.
E que o casamento era um bom exercício nesse sentido.
And that marriage was a good exercise for that.
E que amasse o esposo como se fosse um filho.
And he suggested that she love her husband as if he were her son.
Nesse momento, tocada pela força do Cristo,
At this moment, touched by the power of Christ,
ela sente a sua alma se transformar.
she can feel her soul transform itself.
E ela pergunta se ela deve confrontá-lo com a verdade, tentando esclarecê-lo, ou ficar reservada na sua crença que estava descobrindo agora.
And she asked him whether she should tell her husband and openly about what has now been revealed to her, or whether she should keep her belief now hidden.
E Cristo diz para ela que ela leve o verbo do evangelho.
And Jesus said to her to take the verb of the gospel,
esforçando-se também no silêncio.
to make efforts in silence.
E quando convocada ao esclarecimento,
And when called to explain things,
possa falar o verbo doce ou enérgico da salvação.
she may use the words either energetic, with energy, or sweetly leading to salvation,
segundo as circunstâncias.
according to the circumstances.
Então, aí já temos uma ideia de um primeiro movimento espiritual de Joana de Ângeles enquanto compromisso com Jesus.
So there we can already have an idea, first idea of Joanna's spiritual commitment with Jesus.
O compromisso do esclarecimento, um papel de educadora.
A commitment to clarify, to explain things, and to be an educator.
Vamos ver a presença de Joana no Evangelho a partir de Lucas.
We can see the presence, we can note the presence of Joanna in the Gospel, in Luke,
aonde ele refere a presença dela junto com Maria Madalena, com Maria e outras mulheres que prestavam assistência e apoio a Jesus e aos seus seguidores.
Yeah. So, sorry, I might have missed a bit of there. So, in Luke, there's a passage that talks about Joanna and together with Mary Magdalene and Mary, mother of Jesus, and other women who were working together.
Em Lucas, capítulo 24, versículo 10.
In chapter 24, verse 10 in Luke,
ela é mencionada entre as mulheres que na manhã da Páscoa foi ao sepulcro de Jesus e encontraram vazio o sepulcro.
She is mentioned amongst the women that went to Jesus's burial place and found that it was empty.
Então podemos entender que não é por acaso que ela reencarna nesse mesmo período do Cristo.
So we can see that it's not by mere chance that she has reincarnated at the same time that Jesus was here.
Ela já devia ser um espírito lúcido, comprometido com a obra do Cristo.
She must already have been a lucid spirit that was committed to the work of Christ.
E participou ativamente de todo esse processo que envolveu o seu projeto de evangelização.
And she was very involved and participated in this whole project that involved the teachings of Jesus.
Ela ajudava tanto materialmente, como tinha esse compromisso de levar a palavra do Cristo às pessoas que ela conhecia.
So she both helped out on a material level, and she also was committed to take the knowledge and words to those who were looking for Christ.
O que é admirável para uma mulher em função da época.
And this is very surprising in terms of being a woman in those days.
E a gente vai ver isso nas outras encarnações dela.
And we will see this characteristic also in other incarnations that she had.
Que ela sempre esteve à frente da sua época.
That she has always been ahead of her time.
E mais tarde, quando a realidade da vida dela muda,
and later on, when the reality of her life is transformed or changed,
ela acaba perdendo a fortuna,
She ends up by losing her riches,
mas mesmo assim não deixa de colaborar e de se comprometer com a obra do Cristo.
but even so, she doesn't give up helping and contributing to Christ's work,
Trabalhando e cooperando com os seus parceiros.
working and cooperating with his partners.
Até que em 68 depois de Cristo,
Until the year of 68 after Christ,
ela é martirizada no circo romano,
where she becomes a martyr in the Roman circus.
mas desse processo todo,
But from all this process,
ela é reconhecida como uma das primeiras cristãs a assumir, então, esse legado do Cristo em favor da humanidade.
she is recognized to be one of these first martyrs as a woman, taking on the teachings and the message of Christ.
Vemos em Joana de Cusa uma mulher muito forte, de fibra, com uma fé.
We see in Joana de Cusa a very strong woman with a lot of inner strength, with a great faith.
Uma fé inquebrantável, que soube testemunhar o seu amor a Jesus e a Deus.
And her faith was such that she was able to give witness of her love for Jesus and God.
Depois dessa encarnação, talvez ela teve algumas outras, mas
After this incarnation, it's possible that she had other ones,
mas vamos encontrá-la novamente reencarnada como Clara de Assis.
We will find her reincarnated later on as Clare of Assisi,
a discípula amorosa de São Francisco de Assis.
The loving disciple of Saint Francis of Assisi.
E sabemos nós que, como Joana de Cusa, ela tinha uma ligação muito forte com Pedro e com o apóstolo João.
And we know that in her life as Joana de Cusa, she had a strong connection with Peter and with John.
E nos diz a espiritualidade que São Francisco de Assis é a reencarnação de João Evangelista.
And the spirits tell us that Saint Francis of Assisi is the reincarnation of John the Evangelist.
Então temos aí essa ligação profunda já entre almas que já está presente na época de Joana de Cusa.
So we can see that the connection between these souls is a profound connection that comes already from the incarnation as Joana de Cusa.
Segundo alguns biógrafos de Clara de Assis,
according to some people who have written the biography of Clara of Assisi,
ela tomou a resolução firme de entrar para a ordem com 18 anos de idade.
They say that she took a strong energical decision to enter the order when she was 18 years old.
Tinha Francisco como pai, mestre, guia, protetor.
She had Saint Francis as a guide, a protector, as a father figure, a mentor.
Vindo de uma família com recurso, abandonou todos os ornamentos do mundo para receber o hábito religioso.
So she came from a wealthy family and she gave up all the riches of the world to take on the habit and become a nun.
E teve que enfrentar a oposição da família, que gostaria que ela casasse com pretendente.
And she had to oppose her family, who had plans to marry her to somebody they had already organized.
A gente já percebe também essa natureza firme, lúcida desse espírito, que mesmo com toda a influência do ambiente, da família, resistiu e soube seguir a sua vocação, seu compromisso espiritual.
So we can see here again the strength, the inner strength and the decisiveness of the spirit who has always made up her own mind and been able to face all the situations and the environment of those particular times.
Novamente, vamos encontrar ela como uma educadora, acolhendo outras irmãs junto a ela.
So once again, we will find that she is in the position of a teacher, an educator, and that she is teaching the other women, young women around her.
De um lado, uma vida de meditação e orações.
On one hand, she has a life of meditation and prayer.
De outro lado, uma vida de testemunho numa época da humanidade difícil, que era a Idade Média.
And on the other hand, she gives it's a life of sacrifice, because the life in the Middle Ages was a hard life.
E há relatos impressionantes da vida dela, como Clara de Assis.
And there are incredible reports of things that happened to her life, in her life, when she was Clara of Assisi.
Entre elas, a defesa da cidade frente a um grupo de árabes que queria se aproximar de Assis, querendo invadir o convento.
In one case, she was protecting the city when it was surrounded by a group of North Africans who were trying to invade the city.
Com a sua voz tranquila e firme, conseguiu evitar a invasão.
With her strong and firm voice, she managed to avoid the invasion of the city.
Existe relato de muitas curas quando viva, quando encarnada.
There are reports of many cures when she was still incarnate.
A história de um menino que ficou com os olhos encobertos por uma mancha.
There's a story of a young boy who had his eyes affected by some staining, some marks.
E perdendo a visão.
Which were leading to a loss of his sight.
Ela toca no menino, ele volta a ver claramente.
And she touches the boy and he regains his sight.
Um outro momento, Francisco de Assis enviou um homem chamado Estevão, que tinha enlouquecido.
And at a different moment, Saint Francis of Assisi sends a young man called Stephen, who had become mad.
Para que Clara pudesse o curar.
So that Clara could cure him.
Ela o benzeu e deixou ele dormindo no lugar que ela orava por algum tempo.
She blessed him and put him to sleep in the place where she normally used to pray.
E logo depois ele se levantou curado.
And then after he got up and he was cured.
Percebemos em Clara de Assis
we noticed in Clare of Assisi
espírito extremamente poderoso.
A very powerful spirit.
Pleno na fé e no amor.
Full of faith and love.
Extremamente ativo e comprometido.
Very active and committed.
E fiel a São Francisco e a Jesus.
And faithful to Saint Francis and Jesus.
Depois temos uma outra informação de uma vida dela.
Then we have also some other information about another life she had.
Como Juana Inés de la Cruz.
In which her name was Juana Inés de la Cruz.
Que é um pseudônimo religioso da poetisa mexicana.
Which is a pseudonym for a Mexican poet.
Juana de Asbage Ramírez Santillana.
Juana de Asbage Ramírez Santillana.
Que viveu durante o século XVII.
Who lived during the 17th century.
Nasceu em 1651 em São Miguel de Planta.
She was born in 1651 in San Miguel de Planta.
De um espanhol e de uma indígena.
The daughter of a Spaniard and an indigenous woman.
E é considerada uma das primeiras feministas do mundo.
And she is considered to be one of the first feminists in the world.
Era uma criança precoce.
She was a very advanced child.
Fascinada por letras.
She was fascinated by language.
E vendo a sua irmã aprendendo a ler e escrever.
And when she saw her sister learning to read and write.
engana a professora dizendo que sua mãe pediu que lhe alfabetizasse.
She tricks the teacher and tells the teacher that her mother has asked her or to teach her as well to read and write.
Com 5 anos, ela começa a fazer versos.
When she was 5 years old, she starts writing in verses.
Aos 6, já dominava a língua pátria.
By the age of 6, she already dominated her native language, Spanish.
E tinha desejo ardente desde o início de ir para a universidade.
And she already had a strong desire to go to university.
O pai, ouvindo o desejo da filha,
When the father heard about her wishes,
riu dela dizendo que ela só poderia ir se vestisse de homem.
he laughed and said, "You can only go to university if you go dressed as a man."
Pois somente os rapazes ricos iam para a universidade.
Because only rich young men could go to university.
Ela ainda pequena, então pediu que a mãe a vestisse de homem, desde já, para que não ficasse fora da universidade.
So, or still a young girl, she asked her mother to dress her as a man so that she wouldn't miss out on the opportunity of going to university.
Aos 12 anos, ela aprendeu latim
When
em
she was
20
12,
aulas.
when she was 12, she learned Latin in 20 lessons,
E português sozinha.
and she learned Portuguese on her own.
Falava mais de 6 línguas.
She could speak more than 6 languages.
Com 13 anos, ela foi convidada para ser dama de companhia da esposa do Marquês de Mancera.
So when she was 13, she was invited to be a lady in waiting to the wife of the Marquis
De Mancera.
of the Marquis of Mancera.
E na corte ela encantou a todos e tornou-se conhecida por suas poesias, ensaios e peças bem-humoradas.
And at court, she became very well known and very much appreciated for her poetry, her stories, and her plays that she used to write. And became they were very well, they were light and funny.
Com 15 anos, o vice-rei reuniu 40 especialistas da Universidade do México.
So when she was 15, the Viceroy of Mexico brought together a large group of wise men, of educated men there,
para testar o conhecimento da menina.
to test her knowledge.
E durante horas, ela respondeu de maneira plena as perguntas, sendo aplaudida por todos no final.
And during many hours, she answered everybody's questions, and even at some points, they applauded her because of her answers.
Com a sua erudição, ela provocou admiração, ciúmes e incomodou também a igreja.
So with this very high intellectual level, she caused and provoked people to be very admiring of her, but also some people to be jealous of her, and it also caused the church to be wary of her.
Para poder continuar estudando e ter mais liberdade, ela entrou com a Ordem de São Jerônimo.
In order to study and to have greater freedom, she entered the Order of Saint Jeronimon.
E isso permitiu a ela se corresponder com grandes personagens hispânicos, chegando a escrever também para o Papa.
So that allowed her to engage in correspondence with great Spanish characters and persons, and including correspondence with the Pope.
E todo o trabalho dela começou a focar sobre a liberdade.
And all her work was focusing on the theme of freedom.
Em especial a luta de liberdade e expressão dos direitos da mulher.
And in particular, the topic of freedom and the struggles of freedom for the freedom of women.
Ela, inclusive, construiu um poema chamado Homens Tolos, que traz esse...
So she also wrote a poem called not silly, but like silly men, like not clever men.
que defendia o direito das mulheres e expressa a necessidade que tem de serem respeitadas, assim como os homens.
Okay. And in this, desculpa, perdi o fio da meada. Fala de novo.
Nesse poema, ela defende a importância das mulheres serem respeitadas como seres humanos.
In this poem, she respects the right that women have to be seen and respected as human beings.
Depois ela abdica da sua biblioteca por influência da igreja que acusa ela de várias injúrias.
So then eventually she has to give up her library, forced to do so by the church, who makes a series of accusations against her.
Mas mesmo assim ela foi conhecida como a monja da biblioteca.
But nevertheless, she was always remembered as the nun with the library.
Em 1695, uma grande epidemia se alastrou na região.
In 1695, there was a great epidemic in the area.
E prestando socorro à população e às outras monjas, ela veio acabar sendo contaminada e falecida dia 17 de abril.
And in the end, she ended up passing away on the 17th of April because she, by nursing and looking after the different people and the other nuns, she also became contaminated by the disease, and that led to her death.
Então, vemos aí como na personagem de Juana Inés de la Cruz.
So we have here in this episode in which she is Juana Inés de la Cruz.
Espírito que ama o conhecimento, que ama os livros.
We have a spirit that shows that she loves books and she loves knowledge.
Uma mulher que tem uma capacidade intelectual impressionante.
A woman with an incredible intellectual capability.
Além de várias línguas.
That could speak many languages.
Conhecimento de mitologia.
And she knew about mythology.
O trabalho com poetisa.
She worked as a poet.
E outras características da sua erudição.
And she had many other characteristics of her high intellectual level.
E aí temos novamente ela à frente da sua época.
Again, we see her as a spirit that is ahead of her times.
Espírito que vem romper a ignorância.
A spirit that's coming to break away with ignorance.
Possibilitando mudanças de comportamento.
That comes to provoke a change in behavior.
E trazendo novos rumos para a igualdade entre os seres humanos.
And bringing new pathways towards the equality between human beings.
Após essa encarnação,
after this incarnation,
depois de curto tempo no plano espiritual,
after a short period in the spiritual world,
ela reencarna no Brasil.
She reincarnates in Brazil.
60 anos depois, 67 anos depois.
67 years later.
Como Joana Angélica de Jesus.
And she, in this new incarnation, she takes the name Joana Angélica de Jesus.
Na cidade de Salvador, no Brasil.
And she is born in the city of Salvador, in Brazil.
E nessa encarnação, ela, de maneira com seu desejo próprio, se interna no convento da Lapa.
In this incarnation, it is her decision to go and become an intern in the convent called the Convent of Lapa.
Atuando em diversas funções e chegando ao posto de abadesa.
In the convent, she had different positions, and she ends up by being the abbess.
Nessa encarnação, o trabalho dela era reunir vários espíritos ligados a ela.
In this incarnation, her job was to bring together many spirits that were linked to her,
para poder estar perto dela e ajudá-los de alguma maneira nos seus processos evolutivos.
What the intention was that to bring them around them so they could be close to her, so that she could help them in their process of evolution.
E através dessa regência que ela teve no convento, ela pôde acolher vários dos espíritos ligados a ela.
And through her work in the convent, she was able to welcome many of these spirits that were linked to her.
E numa das revoluções que aconteceram no Brasil,
and in one of the many uprisings that happened in Brazil,
ela foi transpassada por uma baioneta por soldados portugueses.
She was the victim of one of the bayonet of the cutting through her, as done by a Portuguese soldier.
Que desejavam saquear o convento e violentar as irmãs.
For this, the Portuguese soldiers had the intention of pillaging the nunnery and raping the nuns.
E para que as suas companheiras fossem salvas,
and in order to save the nuns,
ela se postou na frente do convento.
She put herself at the front of the convent
para dar tempo que as demais fugissem.
So that to allow the other ones to be able to escape.
E resistiu até ser morta, mas conseguiu salvar as demais companheiras.
So she ended up being killed, but she was able to save her companions.
No mundo espiritual,
in the spiritual world,
ela foi convidada a participar do movimento junto a Kardec do processo da implantação do espiritismo no mundo.
And once back in the spiritual world, she was invited to participate with Kardec in the work of bringing spiritism into the world.
Ela tem duas mensagens no Evangelho segundo o Espiritismo.
She is the author of two messages in the book, The Gospel According to Spiritism.
Com que ela dá o nome de Espírito Amigo.
She signs the messages as a friendly spirit.
Uma sobre a paciência.
One of the messages talks about patience.
E a outra intitulada Dar-se-á aquele que tem.
And the other one's called It Would Be Given to Those Who Have.
E ela tem uma relação espiritual muito grande nesse momento no amparo da América Latina.
And at this moment she has a very wide spiritual connection with supporting the people in Latin America.
E as informações que temos,
and the information that we have,
sabemos que há um projeto dela reencarnar com São Francisco de Assis também.
That we know that there is a plan, a project for her to reincarnate with Saint Francis of Assisi as well.
Sendo que ela reencarnará no Brasil.
And the plan is that she will come to reincarnate in Brazil.
E São Francisco reencarnará na Europa.
And Saint Francis will reincarnate in Europe.
Para poder ajudar nesse momento de transição espiritual que estamos passando.
In order so that they can cooperate in this moment of transition that we are living through.
Então vemos nesses relatos das vidas dela.
So we can see in this compilation of her lives.
Coração amoroso.
That she has a very loving heart.
Mas de muita firmeza que se desenvolveu ao longo desses milênios.
but also of one of great strength and very focused that has been developed over a long time.
E através de sacrifícios e transformações,
And through sacrifice and transformation,
foi imprimindo sua própria individualidade,
she went impressing in her own individuality
uma religiosidade voltado muito para o mundo relacional do que devocional.
a type of religiosity that is much more connected to the world of relations rather than the world of devotion.
Então vemos aí Joana de Ângeles muito comprometida de realmente viver a vida por inteiro.
So we see Joana de Angelis as a spirit that is committed to living life fully,
Testemunhando em si mesma e nos seus projetos,
and bearing witness herself in her projects,
formas de atualizar e de poder realmente imprimir o Evangelho do Cristo na Terra.
trying to show ways to bring up to date and to witness the teachings of Jesus on earth.
E, de alguma maneira, a série psicológica traz essa proposta, a série psicológica que ela construiu.
So, in a certain way, her psychological series is also part of this project.
Como o Fabrício falou no início,
As Fabrício mentioned at the beginning,
dos vários livros que ela escreveu pelas mãos do seu médium, Divaldo Franco,
through the many books that she wrote through the hands of her medium, Divaldo Franco,
17 deles formam a série psicológica.
17 of these books form the psychological series,
Num esforço de nos reconhecermos como espíritos imortais,
in an effort to help us to recognize ourselves as immortal spirits,
realizando o caminho profundo para dentro de nós mesmos.
engaging in this deep journey towards our innermost beings,
A fim de conquistarmos o nosso reino interior.
in order to conquer our inner world.
Jesus disse que existe um reino
Jesus said there is a kingdom,
e que esse reino está dentro de cada um de nós.
and that this kingdom is within each one of us.
Mas quão difícil é sermos senhor do nosso próprio reino.
But how difficult it is to be the Lord of our kingdom.
Então, a proposta dela é que a gente possa reconhecer esse reino, se apropriar dele e viver esse reino a partir da proposta do Cristo.
So her proposal is that we can come to know this kingdom, that we can engage with it, and that we can become its Lord.
Onde o Cristo é a figura do homem integral.
Where Christ is the figure of the whole human being.
É interessante que Carl Gustav Jung,
It's interesting to notice that Carl Gustav Jung,
o grande psicólogo suíço,
the great Swiss psychologist,
tem uma ligação espiritual com Joana.
he has a spiritual connection with Joanna.
E segundo informações, ela estava orientando a encarnação dela como a encarnação dele como Carl Gustav Jung.
And that she was guiding his incarnation as Carl Gustav Jung.
Então, acreditamos que esse projeto psicológico dela,
So we believe that this psychological project of hers,
que culmina na série psicológica,
that reaches its highest point in this psychological series,
vem muito antes.
is coming from way before.
Vem com Kardec, quando ele propõe que a Revista Espírita seja um jornal de estudo psicológico.
It comes already from the days of Kardec, when he suggests that the magazine should be a magazine of psychological studies.
E quando Jung acertadamente afirma
And when Jung very wisely says
que Cristo é o homem interior,
that Christ is the inner human being,
a qual se chega pelo caminho do autoconhecimento.
that you will reach through the pathway of self-knowledge.
E Joana de Anjos compara Jesus
And
ao
Joana
rei,
de Angelis,
ao rei solar, ao sol.
and Joana de Angelis compares Jesus to the sun
Que mergulhou nas sombras terrestres,
that came into the darkness of the earth,
a fim de que nunca mais houvesse trevas na humanidade.
so that no longer would there be darkness amongst humanity,
possibilitando uma perfeita identificação entre nós e o seu Criador a partir da figura do Cristo.
allowing us to have a perfect identification between us and the Creator by the example of Jesus Christ.
Podemos dizer, então, que com a série psicológica que ela nos brinda,
So we can say with this psychological series that she brings to us,
ela vai aprofundar essa proposta do Cristo como o arquétipo, a figura do homem integral.
she will go deeper with this idea of Christ as the archetype of the whole person,
oferecendo caminho para a realização plena do ser.
offering a pathway for fulfillment of a person,
Abrindo novos horizontes
opening up new horizons,
desse homem interior,
this inner person,
nos mostrando, então, o caminho da conquista individual,
showing us the pathway for inner conquest,
para que possamos reconhecer e saber que somos autorizados
so that we can recognize and to know that we are authorized,
que todos podem ser Cristo.
that everybody can be a Christ.
E nos fala de Valdo Franco
And Divaldo Franco says to us
que Joana de Angelis
that Joana de Angelis
estudou durante 50 anos no plano espiritual,
that she studied for 50 years in the spiritual world,
porque apesar de todo o seu conhecimento,
because despite all her knowledge,
ela não prescindiu de poder trocar ideias com grandes pensadores da psicologia.
she felt the need to exchange ideas with the great thinkers of psychology,
Entre eles Freud, Jung e outros pesquisadores do comportamento humano.
and amongst them Freud and Jung and other researchers of human behavior,
Para assim poder amadurecer e nos dar essa série psicológica como trabalho que faz essa ponte entre a psicologia e a espiritualidade.
so that in this way she could learn and develop her ideas to be able to make this bridge between spirituality and psychology.
E nessa proposta,
And in this proposal,
Joana retoma vários conceitos psicológicos
Joana takes on several psychological concepts
e vai aprofundando, dando entendimento e ampliando para essa realidade espiritual.
and she develops them and goes deeper and brings in a spiritual element to it, a spiritual understanding to it.
São vários os elementos que ela trabalha na sua série psicológica.
There are lots of different elements that she works on in her psychological series.
Ela trabalha, então, o arquétipo do homem integral a partir da figura do Cristo.
So she works on the archetype of the whole human being based on the figure of Christ,
Fazendo uma análise psicológica de Jesus
by carrying out a psychological analysis of Jesus,
e, ao mesmo tempo, mostrando a sua atualidade.
and at the same time showing how up-to-date he is.
Ela faz uma análise da pós-modernidade, da realidade contemporânea em que vivemos.
She also analyzes the postmodern times, the contemporary times in which we live,
Avaliando psicologicamente e espiritualmente o nosso momento.
And she analyzes from a psychological and a spiritual point of view the moment in which we live.
Ela também faz uma análise dos sintomas psicológicos.
She also talks about and analyzes the psychological symptoms,
tais como fobias, depressão, entre outros,
such like phobias and depression, amongst others,
fazendo uma relação profunda e complexa
carrying out a deep and complex showing the deep and complex relationships
entre o aspecto psicológico, social, biológico e espiritual.
Showing these complex relationships between the spiritual, the biological, the social, and I forgot the other one, but yeah, all the different aspects.
Também faz uma análise do ego.
She also carries out an analysis of the ego,
com todo o seu processo que envolve sua identidade e as suas relações do mundo da aparência com as suas ilusões.
And all the things that the ego and its relationships, its identity, and also its qual é o final?
Com a relação desse ego com o mundo da aparência, com as ilusões.
Yeah, and its relationship with the world of appearances and illusions. Sorry.
E também a relação desse ego com a sua essência espiritual, com o self, né? Com o encontro com o seu lado divino.
And also the relationship of this ego with the self, with the spiritual side of the person.
Além disso, ela traz algumas propostas terapêuticas.
She also brings some therapeutic suggestions.
Tanto psicológicos como espirituais.
Both spiritual and psychological.
Unindo a oração e a meditação.
Bringing together meditation and prayer.
Com técnicas de visualizações.
With visualization techniques.
E de processo de como chegar a insights psicológicos.
And the process of how to come to psychological insights.
Uma abordagem sobre questões existenciais.
Also talking about existential issues.
Sobretudo a partir de diferentes sistemas filosóficos e religiosos.
Talking about different philosophical and religious ideas.
Ela passeia por várias teorias da psicologia.
She visits many different psychological theories.
Relacionando-os com as questões da espiritualidade.
And connects them with issues around spirituality.
E com isso ela faz algumas propostas acerca da natureza da alma.
And with this, she makes some proposals regarding the nature of the soul.
Faz uma análise do sofrimento e a dinâmica dos sofrimentos.
She talks about suffering and the dynamics of suffering.
Sobre as vidas e suas implicações.
About lives and their implications.
Sobre projeto de transformação interior, de autodescobrimento.
She talks about a project of self-discovery, of inner journey.
Sobre a psicologia do amor e dos desajustes afetivos.
She talks about the psychology of love and the affective maladjustments.
Como se podem perceber, o seu trabalho é amplo e complexo.
As you can see, her work is very wide and very complex.
E de uma riqueza impressionante.
And it's a very rich work.
Se formos reconhecer que a psicologia vem da filosofia.
If we recognize that psychology comes from philosophy.
Aonde o seu estudo era o estudo da mente humana.
Where its study was the study of the human mind.
E depois com a psicologia experimental e com a biologia.
And then with experimental psychology and biology.
Ela perde esse foco.
That focus is changed, is moved away.
E em vez de ser uma ciência que estuda a mente.
And instead of being a science that studies the mind,
passa a ser uma ciência que estuda o comportamento.
it becomes a science that studies behavior.
E isso faz com que a psicologia se distancie da realidade da alma.
And that makes psychology move away from the reality of the soul.
Se formos ver na história da psicologia,
If we look at the history of psychology,
até 1900, mais ou menos,
until 1900s, more or less,
havia muitos estudos nos congressos de psicologia
there were many studies presented at the congresses of psychology
de questões ligadas à mediunidade,
with issues linked to mediumship,
experiências extrasensoriais,
extra perception, sensory experiments,
sobre a realidade da alma,
things about the reality of the soul,
entre outros assuntos que foram perdendo o interesse.
amongst other subjects that then afterwards the people seem to lose interest in them.
Através de uma psicologia materialista.
Because psychology became materialist.
E que agora retorna esses interesses através daquilo que a gente chama de experiências anômalas.
And now there is a return to this previous interest through things that we call anomalous experiences.
Então a proposta de Joana de Ângeles é resgatar essa psicologia primeira.
So Joana de Ângeles' proposal is to bring back that original psychology.
Que a psicologia seja realmente um estudo, um logos da alma, um reflexo da alma.
That psychology may truly be the study of the soul.
E ela realmente consegue nos trazer muitas contribuições nesse sentido.
And in that way, she's able to bring us many contributions.
Com isso eu dou uma pequena ideia das vidas dela, da sua missão, e o que ela propõe com a série psicológica.
And with this, I just hope that I've given you a little bit of an idea of who she is, her lives, her missions, and what she is bringing to the psychological series.
E do esforço da espiritualidade de compor um diálogo com a humanidade através de vários ramos do conhecimento.
And the efforts of the spiritual world to make links with us and spirituality on many different subjects.
Muito obrigado.
Thank you very much.
Thank you, Gelson. Thank you, Anne. What I would like to say is, just before we go to questions and answer, there are a few questions popping up on Facebook. What I would like to say to our friends listening to us on Facebook, this year, the series of talks that we will be doing within the Spiritist Society of Bormum, the Poole Christian Spiritualist Church, is going to be all about the psychological series of Joana de Ângeles. So we will be having one meeting every fortnight, and each speaker invited to come along. They will be talking about the work that Joana did with the 17 books that Joana wrote through the mediumship of Divaldo Franco. Lawrence, would you like to say anything before I go to questions and answer?
No. Oh dear, here we go. Testing the Portuguese, not very good. Obrigado, Dr. Dilson. Obrigada, Anna. Really very, very interesting. Looking forward to seeing this story unfold. So interesting. There's some really nice questions coming in as well on the side. So I'll hand back to you, please, Fabricio. And forgive the translation at the bottom there. It's courtesy of Google. So if it doesn't make any sense, blame Google.
Okay, so let's go to the questions and answer. And I think what I will do, I will read to you the question and then you can translate it to Gelson. Is that okay?
Okay.
Yeah. The first one.
I'll tell Gelson, yeah?
Yeah.
O Fabrício vai fazer a pergunta em português e eu vou te traduzir em inglês a pergunta. Tá bem?
Okay. So the first question comes from our friend Bob Williams. He says, in her subsequent incarnation and her message through her medium, has Joanna described any details of her association on earth with the incarnate Jesus and any lessons that Jesus spoke directly to her when she was among Jesus' companions on those New Testament times?
So, a pergunta nas suas encarnações subsequentes e suas mensagens através do seu médium, será que a Joana descreveu em detalhe sobre sua ligação na Terra, quando encarnada, com Jesus, e quaisquer lições que Jesus lhe deu diretamente quando ela estava entre os companheiros de Jesus nos dias do Novo Testamento?
Temos alguns relatos, não só pela pessoa dela, né, por outros espíritos que também relatam momentos da vida dela. Temos
so we have stories that we hear, not only that she has told directly, but also stories that other spirits have reported.
Temos outros espíritos como Amélia Rodrigues.
Spirits such as Amélia Rodrigues.
E temos também um espírito com pseudônimo de Irmão X.
And we have another spirit who calls himself Brother X.
Que traz informações de momentos particulares dela com Jesus e de alguns ensinamentos que ela teve com ele quando encarnou como Joana de Cusa.
And they bring us some stories and some teachings of private moments that she had when she was incarnated as Joana de Cusa at the time of Jesus.
Ela mesma é muito discreta em relação às suas vidas passadas.
She herself is always very discreet about her previous lives.
Muitas dessas informações não vieram tanto por ela, mas por outros espíritos que confirmam esses vários relatos que a gente trouxe hoje aqui.
And so lots of the reports that were mentioned here today were actually brought by other spirits or confirmed by other spirits, the ones we mentioned.
De qualquer forma,
anyway,
ela tem vários outros livros onde ela se ocupa diretamente dos ensinamentos do Cristo.
She has other books that she's written in which she is totally focused on the teachings of Jesus.
Thank you. So our next questions come from all the way from America, from our lovely Sarah. She's asking, is there any writing that explains why she has chosen so many females incarnations?
E a pergunta é, tem alguma mensagem, algum lugar escrito, alguma explicação por que ela escolheu tantas encarnações femininas?
Não temos uma explicação específica sobre isso.
We don't have a specific explanation for that.
Mas me parece que Joana ela gosta de desafios.
But I get the impression that Joanna likes a challenge.
E nesse lugar de uma época onde as mulheres eram muito mais discriminadas.
And in those times when women were the victims much more of discrimination.
E ela reencarna como descendente de indígena e como mulher.
And if, for example, in Mexico, she's born as a descendant of an indigenous woman and as a woman herself.
Talvez para mostrar para nós uma outra faceta da realidade humana, social da época.
Trying to perhaps show us a different side to the human reality of those times.
E além disso, há outras questões que talvez não compreenda, ou uma preferência dela, ou um compromisso dela em relação a esse lugar e esse papel como mulher nas encarnações dela.
So maybe I don't really know, I don't understand, but maybe she has a commitment, something that she wants to do in this, carrying out the role of a woman.
Thank you both. I'm concerned about time because I think we have exceed a little bit over time tonight. I think what I would like to do, I have a invitation to make everyone who is listening to us. Lawrence, if you could put the leaflet up about Florencio and Daniel. There is a talk that is happening on the 31st on Sunday, 7 o'clock. Many of you has met Florencio before. He has been to the Poole Christian Spiritualist Church before, where he can demonstrate beautiful paintings through his mediumship. So this event will be on Sunday the 31st, talking about charity with Florencio Alton and Daniel Rossi. It's going to be broadcast at the Kardec Group, YouTube and Facebook. And the time is 7 o'clock. So that is an invitation for you on Sunday. Before we go to the closing prayer, is there anything, Anna and Joseph, would like to make any comments and any closing comments before we go to the closing prayer?
Então, Gelson, Fabrício pergunta se vamos para a prece final, mas se você tem algum comentário final antes da prece.
Eu apenas sugiro para quem tem interesse que possa buscar se informar melhor do
I'd just like to suggest to anybody who is particularly interested that they go in search of more information.
Ter contato com algum material dela que vale a pena.
To get to look at and get to know some of her content, which it's really worthwhile.
Thank you, Anna Sinclair, for being here with us and doing all the translation. Gelson, thank you very much for being here. Obrigado por estar aqui conosco essa noite.
Thank you very much.
So just before we, I think Lawrence is not live. Lawrence, are you there?
Can you hear me? Well, can you hear me?
Yeah. I hear you, but I cannot see you.
Oh, well, that was probably a blessing. So, is it for the closing prayer, please, Fabrizio, yeah?
Yes, please, if you would like to make the closing prayer for us, please.
Thank you. So once more, dear friends, draw close, go within, link with that thread of the divine that runs through all things. And we give thanks for all the blessings that we have, especially at this time. We're all walking a hard path at the moment, but we know and we understand that all things are meant to be, and we are always looked after. We're always given everything that we need to develop this eternal life that we live. Amen.
So I'd like to say good evening to everyone who's been watching us on Facebook. Thanks for being with us. The next talk is on the 12th of February with Dr. Vanessa Anceloni. And the topic that she's going to be talking to us, again, as I said, we still be within the psychological series of Joanna De Angelis. And the topic that Vanessa is going to be talking to us is going to be existential conflicts. And I hope to see you all on the 12th of February. And thank you. And I see you later.
Bye.
Bye.
Goodbye. I am here.
In spirit.
Yeah, definitely. Oh, always. I've gone fishing.
You've gone fishing.
You're still live, though.
I think you've gone fishing in New Zealand because it's already morning there.
And they're having music concerts as well, so what better way to go? So we wish everybody a good night. Thank you so much for joining us tonight. It's been a great pleasure. Thank you to our guests so much, and thank you to Fabricio for organising these evenings for us. We wish you all a safe and pleasant good night. Good night all.
Thank you. Thank you.